Hello everyone, how fast you can solve this basic algebraic math challenge. So we have 5 minus 3 times of 5 minus 3. So here first I can explain the common mistakes which usually students can do in the exams. So he can just first subtract these two values. 5 minus 3 becomes 2, and this is again 5 minus 3 becomes here 2, and finally 2 times 2 becomes here 4. But this process or this solution is wrong. So if you can solve this problem in this way, you can get the 0 marks in the exam, because this is the wrong method. Because here for this type of questions we use here the PEMDAS rule. Okay, so here we can just apply the PEMDAS rule, but first here I can explain what is PEMDAS rule. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, and A stands for addition, and S for subtraction. So you can just follow this rule from left to right. Okay, we just follow this rule from left side to right side in this way. Okay, so here we move towards our question statement. You just first you see that we can first solve the parentheses, then we solve the exponents, then we solve the multiplication or division, and at last we solve addition or subtraction. But here first you see that we have parentheses here. So first we need to solve the parentheses side, or inside the parentheses we have 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is equals to, this is 5 minus 3 into parentheses, and 5 minus 3 becomes here 2. So this 3 and parentheses means that we have multiplication sign here. Okay, so now according to PEMDAS rule, here we have, there are two signs, negative sign, subtraction sign, or multiplication sign. But here our first priority is to solve the multiplication sign, and at the last we solve the subtraction sign. So first we need to multiply these two numbers. So when we multiply these numbers, we get 5 minus 3 times of 2 becomes here 6, and at the last we have just only one number, only one sign, that is negative sign. So 5 minus 6 becomes here minus 1. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.